Hi guys, hey, wanted to do a quick mail call shout out. Um a viewer named Duane contacted me. He emailed me. He asked me if I had wheels yet for the short track group build that I'm doing with the Ford LTD and the white spoke, the white wagon wheels. And I told him, I said, no, I'm still trying to put some ideas together. Because I'd got these off from eBay and they're 1/24 scale and they're just too big. They balloon the tire out. They don't look right under the car. It's a 1/25 scale car and they just don't look right. So he said he had 4 in his parts bin and he could send them to me. And super nice guy. He sent these to me and didn't charge me a thing. Just said, keep it going. If you got something somebody else needs, and just, send it to them and just keep it going. So that's awesome. Well, I love the people in this hobby, the model building and the RC hobby. It's just awesome. But anyway, Duane sent me these out, and they look the part perfect, except I gotta dechrome them. And once I dechrome them, then of course I'll do them white and go from there. But so yeah, I got 4 of them. I don't know what they're off from. He wasn't sure, but they are definitely, they'll definitely fit. They'll definitely work. So definitely happy that he sent these out to me. Very thankful, and definitely want to get this build going here after I get a couple other things done. Because like I said, I'm building 2 of these Ford LTDs, so I'm gonna get another set of these and go from there. So anyway, guys, like I said, just a quick mail call shout out to Duane. Thank you for sending these out to me, and hope you guys are all doing good. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye bye.